So I've had a lot of people lately ask me how I do my hair. It's pretty simple, and I just thought I would do a tutorial to show you how. First of all, I'm really lucky because I have lovely texture in my hair, so a little bit of natural wave, natural curl. So what I first do is prep my hair with this from Techniart Transformer Texture. It's a liquid to paste. It really helps bring out a natural texture in your hair, kind of give you a little beachy vibe, if you will. If you don't have that, however, you need to put some sort of texture in your hair. So if your hair is bone straight, then there's a couple products I recommend. One is Next Day Hair. This will give you a little bit of texture and some grip. So when you do this, it'll stay. If it's like super slippery, then I would switch you into Super Dust. And so what this is a texturizing powder to make it so your hair is really grippy, and so this hairstyle will work. So what you do is you split your hair into two, and forgive me, I'm gonna start watching myself here. Split it into two, and then you're just gonna go like you're gonna braid your hair. So go into three, split them into three different parts here. And usually when you braid, you try to detangle the ends here. That's why we need that texture. So I'm gonna braid without detangling those ends. So see how it's starting to wind against itself? So I'm gonna keep braiding and see how it's starting to like tug a little there at the bottom. I'm gonna go until I can't go anymore, until it's too tight. I'm gonna feed this, see that little hole right there? I'm gonna feed this part into this part, and that's gonna lock my braid in. So then I don't need any hair ties, okay? And then I can kind of stylize it, pull out some of these to make it a little more lived in braid. But what this does is make it so you don't have any kind of hair ties to worry about. So there's one. I'll just do it again so you can see. So split your hair into threes, like so. Don't detangle those ends. So like I said, if you don't have enough texture in your hair naturally, then add those products, and that's when they give you that texture that you need so that it doesn't slip all the way through. And just braid it all the way through. Braid it until it gets too tight. So here we go. Now I got my little hole, that's as far as I can go. See that right there? And this right here, I'm gonna loop all of the way this through, grab it from the other end, and pull it through. See how it's locked in place? So then again, I can kind of stylize it however I want, make it look a little thicker, a little more distressed. My hair's natural curly, so by the end of the day, all my curl kind of starts coming out even more so because I'm hot. So I kind of like help it along to make it look like it's on purpose. There you go. Braids without having to use a hair tie. If you have any questions, let me know.